I went out this morning to do this week's art assignment, which is to find the quietest place within walking distance of your house. I live in a pretty quiet neighborhood to begin with, so I was excited to attempt to find the quietest of the quiet. I decided to attack the assignment systematically. Whenever I came to an intersection, I would stop and listen for a moment, and decide which direction seemed the quietest, and head that way. My neighborhood is bounded on all sides by big, busy streets, so I ended up walking mostly in ragged circles. A few minutes after I left my house, it began to rain. I've always been struck by how much rain changes a place. As I walked, I started thinking about the ability of rain to magnify sounds. Every car passing sounded like a freight train, and the train whistle from across the city sounded like a cargo ship. Metal gutters on most houses amplified the sounds of the rain itself, and the storm drains hinted of a secret river beneath the streets. At the same time, the rain somehow made everything quieter. Houses were still. The singing of birds and movement of squirrels seemed somehow to add to the general sense of quiet. Individual sounds became louder. A dog barking on a neighbor's lawn almost scared me to death. Finally, I found the quietest place, although I'm not entirely sure that that didn't have more to do with the rain letting up than with the location itself. Regardless, I took it in. On my way home, I was concerned that I'd get lost, but living in a neighborhood surrounded by big roads had taken care of me, and I was soon back on the path home. As I approached my house, the rain let up again, and I began to wonder if my house had actually been the quietest place all along.